Hi everyone, back with Michael, digitization officer in SCT Heritage Library here. Today we're gonna try to uh, digitize file from the CD. We're gonna rip it, and then all we need is very simple. We're gonna use Window Media Player. So we're gonna put the CDs on. You got some collection, it's Ken Belto, one of our collection. Plug in the CD into DVD room or CD room on our work desk, and then go to File Explorer. Yeah, there. It's alright. File Explorer. The CD there. Okay, as you see, it's the track, and we're gonna try to play. So from here, Window Media Player have actually a feature that allow us to rip the CD. Press that button. I'm gonna go to rip CD and also rip setting. We're gonna start with rip setting. It will allow us to divert or to control where the file is going to go. Rip CD setting and go more option. From here, we want the format as a wave for preservation. Turn off it. Sorry, Sonam. That audio is. So back to rip setting, more option. Now we have to change the format to wave, a wave file, lossless, and also we're gonna have to find a file destination to go with it. Example, this time I'll go to that verbatim and just go to digitization project. For example, I'll just go CD content and then hit OK. And then we have to go back to this. So we're gonna go to verbatim digitization project and oral history 2021 June. We can't find them. Emergent CD content should be end up somewhere over here. And then while we make sure there's a wave and we already have the name and the folder destination, make sure in the best quality, and we just hit apply and then OK. And then we can start. Press this button and rip the CD. It will start ripping the CD. We call it one by one. Will take some time. If you go to the folder, see, it automatically create a folder Ken Belto, which is this is the file. After you see that, this comes as a wave sound, wave format. Accelerate. Once it finishes, it will tell us this is rip it to the library. That means we already have the file here. And then imagine we just imagine today we already rip all this file and we just stop. It will stop straight away by itself. Actually, I just stop the ripping, and then we can check the audio from here. We display the audio. Should play. We should be able to hear it now. And then that's it from the CD. We have the raw file of the wave file here, and from here we will bring it to the Adobe Premiere to be exported to MP3 or digitally enhanced. In most case of CD file is pretty good, so we are good for now, and we will continue the next video to the Adobe Premiere process. Thank you. This time I want to show you how we are converting an audio file from oral history or from several carrier like reel-to-reel, audio cassette, or a vinyl record from turntable. We already have one collection here, oral history collection. that one. ACT Canberra Panel Engineering History, Engineering Heritage Australia. And we are going to copy that file. And we are using Adobe Premiere. Gonna open Adobe Premiere. We are create new project and then copy that file collection name and a number that we copied earlier, and then we are going to store them in the external hard drive. I've got DG3 here available. I'm just gonna save it there. As for example, select folder and I'll say OK. We are on the Premiere now. Now we need to create a sequence. We're gonna name the sequence a box. We're gonna create the bin because this comes from different box. Sometimes the collection is coming from different box. So I'm gonna pick box 1. From there, just gonna copy that call number, create the bin. So right click up here, new bin, and that's a box 1. Actually I just do box 1, be easier. And then we have the bin, it's specialized for every file, audio file from box 1. We're going back to the folder, box 1 with audio cassette, for example. We'll have MP1 Mr. Charles Bulb, create that one. And then we're gonna create a sequence, so Control N. And then name the sequence, Control V. We have a sequence now. Now we are going to drag that sequence. So we have master copy, which is a WAV file and MP3 file. We are converted straight away from the audio cassette. So we're gonna drag that one over here to our sequence here. We have that one. Play. We got the right one. And I'm going to modify the audio channel into the mono, so will allow me to play 2 lines of audio here, and in order to export to the stereo when we finish the process. So just hit comma and we will have 2 lines of audio here, left and right. Press home button, it will take us to the beginning of the audio and play. As you can see, the audio meter here is a little bit low. Just hit 18, but however, you might picking up along the way. It's a bit too low now. I'm just gonna enhance the audio level. So right click over here and then go to the audio gain. I can bring this one a little bit closer to this one up here. And then I'll put probably about 6 decibel higher. And try. That's much better. And if you hear that properly, there's a clicking noise that quite annoying to be inside the collection. So what I do is I want to hit this effect button here. Just gonna wait. And then we go to this effect button. We're gonna go hit the audio effect and then hit noise reduction restoration and just hit that automatic click remove. I'll expand it a little bit so you can read them. We'll just drag that one to the audio, and this is supposed to be allow us to get rid of that clicking noise. different. That's different. Go back to that one. If I redo that one, then we have much better noise and clean noise. And yeah.
We need to do this once again.
Yeah. Can do it again. Okay. We do that one more time. So as you can see, so start from the effect. Yeah.
Got that one and then like that from here again.
Yeah.
Because
Sure. Okay. So we are going to effect and audio effect, and then go to the audio. Where is the audio effect? Hang on. Yes, we are on the audio effect, and just go to noise reduction or restoration. Just hit the automatic click remover.
Later in life, and then they're usually gone. Which is a shame.
So that's end of the tape now. We can cut in the end. So hit W button. We'll click the end. Now if you go back, hit the home button to the beginning. So we're able to store it into the stereo now level, and also get rid of that clicking noise as well. So I'm very happy with that. So we are going to produce an MP4 file. So what we do into this Control M, then pick the format. So we are going to MP3, and then preset. I'm going to the highest one, high quality. And then we need to set destination folder for this one. So it's gonna go to the destination or history. This one is panel engineering, box 1, audio cassette, Charles bulb on digital enhance. Save to there. Just go example, go outside there, save, and we'll export them. Remaining about 6 minutes. So when we finish, the end product will be the digital enhance, and will be here as a MP3. We can play them. That's finished now, and let's cancel that one. And we are going to produce a web file as well for preservation and storage. So Control M as well, and then change the format. We do have waveform audio over here, and then check the outcome, still on the Digi3, and panel of engineering, box 1, audio cassette, Charles bulb, save, and then we're going to export that. And then this is the end product web file of the MP1 Charles bulb 1710-2003-1. So in the Charles bulb collection, we will have master copy, both of them MP3 and WAV, which is the original copy straight from the tape or any other carrier like reel-to-reel or vinyl record. And digital enhance, this is the one ready to store and ready to be published. So that's about it, and I hope that will be useful, and we'll see you next time.